Folks, are you tired? Tired of being broke all the time? Tired of that heavy money stress? I know that feeling. It's like you're sinking in quicksand. You work hard, day in and day out, but the money just seems to vanish. Where does it all go? It is time for a real change in your life. This isn't some fantasy or a get-rich-quick trick. This is a solid, proven plan. It's a plan to help you take back control of your finances. You absolutely can do this. It's your turn to start winning with your money. Are you ready to begin your journey to financial peace? The very first step in month 1 is to know your enemy. You need to track every single dime you spend. Yes, every single one. Find out where your money is going. Don't judge yourself right now, just write it down. Use a simple notebook or a budgeting app on your phone. The tool doesn't matter as much as the action. This process is all about creating awareness. For many of you, this will be an eye-opening experience. You might be surprised or even shocked, but this is where true change begins, with honesty. Still in month 1, after a few weeks of diligent tracking, it's time to face the music. Sit down and look at those numbers. Add it all up. See exactly where your hard-earned cash has been flowing. It might be a scary moment. That is perfectly okay, folks. This is your starting line, your financial ground zero. There is no more hiding from the truth. This raw data is powerful. It's the wake-up call many of us desperately need to finally get serious about our money and our future. This honesty is the foundation. Now we move into month 2. It's time to create your very first budget. We teach the zero-based budget method. It's simple. Your income minus all your outgo must equal 0. Every single dollar that comes in gets a specific job. You tell it where to go. This isn't about restriction, it's about control. This budget is your financial roadmap for the month ahead. It's your detailed game plan for winning. Without a plan, you're just wandering in the dark. With a budget, you are in the driver's seat of your financial life. Welcome to month 3. Now you take that budget and your spending report, and you start trimming. It's time to slash and burn unnecessary costs. Look very closely at where your money went. What can you cut out completely? Are there subscriptions you forgot about or rarely use? How many times did you eat out last month? Those daily fancy coffees add up quickly. You need to be ruthless here, folks. Every single dollar you save is a dollar you can use to change your life. This is about making smart choices. Still in month 3, we focus on a crucial distinction, needs versus wants. This is a big one for many people. You food on the table, you shelter, a roof over your head, you basic clothing and transportation. But you that brand new giant television, you the latest smartphone. Focus all your resources on your true needs first. Learning delayed gratification is a powerful skill. It's not about punishing yourself. It is about empowering yourself to reach bigger, more important financial goals. This builds financial muscle. Now it's month 4. Your next big goal is the baby emergency fund. You need to save $1,000 as fast as you possibly can. This money is for. I'm talking about unexpected medical bills or urgent car repairs. It's not for buying pizza on a Friday night. It's not for concert tickets you just have to have. Life happens, and Murphy will show up uninvited. This $1,000 emergency fund is your first small shield. It stops small crises from derailing your progress and sending you into more debt. So how do you find that $1,000 in month 4? You get intense. Sell things you don't need anymore. Look around your house, your garage, your attic. There's probably stuff collecting dust that can be turned into cash. Consider picking up a temporary side job for a few weeks. Deliver pizzas, drive for a ride-sharing service, or work some extra hours at your current job. There are no excuses here. Your goal is to hit that $1,000 mark. Achieving this is your first major victory. Feel that accomplishment. It's real. All right, it's month 5. Time to go on the offensive against debt. We use the debt snowball method. List all of your debts, every single one except for your house. Order them from the smallest balance to the largest balance. Pay the absolute minimum payment on all debts except for the smallest one. You attack that smallest debt with every extra dollar you can find. Throw everything you've got at it. Get fired up about this. Your goal is to knock out that first debt as quickly as possible. This is where you start to feel real power. When that first smallest debt is completely paid off, you celebrate. It's a huge win. Then you take all the money you were paying on that debt plus the minimum payment, and you add it to the payment for the next smallest debt. Can you see what's happening? The amount you're throwing at debt grows bigger with each debt you eliminate. The snowball is rolling downhill, and it's gaining size and speed. This momentum is incredibly motivating. You will start to see significant progress, and it will fuel your desire to keep going. Now we're in month 6. It's time to think about increasing your income. We call this getting a bigger shovel. The more income you have, the faster you can dig yourself out of debt. The faster you can build your savings. Look for opportunities to earn more money. Could you ask for a raise at your current job? Do you have skills you could use to start a small side business? Maybe you can do some freelance work in your spare time. Even a few $100 extra a month can make a massive difference in your plan. Throughout month 6, and really, throughout this whole journey, you need to stay gazelle intense. Debt is dumb. It's your enemy, and it's holding you back from your dreams. You need to run from debt like a gazelle runs from a hungry cheetah. Stay focused on your goals. Don't let shiny objects or old habits distract you from your mission. Keep that intensity high. Imagine what your life will feel like with no payments, no debt collectors calling. That freedom is worth all the effort. You are getting closer every single day. Welcome to month 7. If you've paid off all debt except the house, it's time for a big step. You need to build your fully funded emergency fund. This means saving 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. This isn't $1,000 anymore. This is serious security. What if you lose your job? What if a major medical issue comes up? With this fund, it's not a catastrophe. You are prepared for life's big storms. The peace of mind that comes from this financial cushion is truly priceless. This is a game changer. Also in month 7, take some time to review and refine your budget. Life is not static. It changes constantly. Your income might have increased, your expenses might have shifted, your financial goals might even have evolved a bit. Your budget is a living, breathing document, not something set in stone. Tweak it as needed, at least once a month. Make sure it continues to work for you and reflect your current reality. Your budget is your most powerful tool for managing your money effectively. Keep it sharp and useful. By month 8, if you've followed the plan, you are in an amazing position. Debt is gone, except maybe the house. You have a fully funded emergency fund. That is fantastic. Now, it's time to start building real, long-term wealth. We recommend investing 15% of your gross household income into good growth stock mutual funds, inside retirement accounts like a 401k or Roth IRA. Think about your future. Think about retirement. Think about leaving a legacy. This is where your money starts working hard for you. Finally, let's talk about long-term financial health beyond these 8 months. You've worked hard. You have a new normal. Keep living on a written budget every month. Stay out of debt for good. Continue to save and invest wisely. When you manage your money God's ways, you begin to live like no one else, so that later you can truly live and give like no one else. This isn't just an 8-month fix. It's a new way of life that leads to true financial peace. You've got this.